In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate using Cash App with eBay. While eBay currently does not support Cash App as a direct payment method, there are still effective ways to work around this, ensuring both buyers and sellers can continue to enjoy seamless transactions. First things first, let's talk about the payment methods that are readily available and supported on eBay. As a buyer, you'll typically find that credit cards and PayPal are the most commonly accepted options. eBay has integrated these methods to facilitate a hassle-free checkout process, ensuring your purchases are both quick and secure. Using credit cards and PayPal can often provide added security features, such as purchase protection, which can be particularly beneficial if you encounter any issues with your order. Now, for those who prefer to use Cash App, it's important to recognize that while you cannot link it directly to your eBay transactions, the app can still play a role in your online buying and selling experiences. One way to incorporate Cash App is by transferring funds from Cash App to your bank account. Once your funds are safely in your bank account, you can then use them to pay for eBay purchases with a linked credit or debit card. This method is straightforward and leverages the strengths of both platforms. Moving on to sellers, if you're interested in receiving payments through Cash App, you'll need to exercise a bit more caution. While it's possible to request payments outside of eBay using Cash App, it's crucial to understand the potential risks involved. eBay has strict policies regarding off-platform transactions, and deviating from these can impact both your standing on the platform and your seller protections. Furthermore, conducting transactions outside of eBay can expose you to risks such as scams or fraudulent chargebacks. Before deciding to accept payment through Cash App, ensure you have a solid understanding of the buyer's credibility and be transparent in your communications. Clearly outline your payment terms and provide thorough descriptions of your products to reduce the likelihood of disputes. It might also be prudent to use sales contracts or request a deposit via a secure payment method to protect both parties involved. To wrap things up, while eBay does not directly support Cash App, by using a bit of strategic thinking, you can still incorporate it into your online shopping and selling activities. Utilize the available payment methods on eBay for a straightforward purchase experience, and if opting for Cash App in a selling scenario, proceed with thorough due diligence and caution. Thanks for joining me today to explore these alternatives. Remember, maintaining security and transparency in your online transactions is key, and with these tips, you should feel more confident navigating eBay with Cash App.